we'll be drawing some exploding fireworks. So we'll imagine that the fireworks being shot up from the ground. So we just draw this line that the fireworks being shot up from. And so, sorry if you can hear fireworks exploding right now. It's the 3rd of July. But we just imagine that at this center part, this is where the energy is. It's coming from here. So this is where the force of the energy is being shut out. So just keep this in mind. So we'll just imagine right here, we'll just draw some lines coming out, almost like you're sketching a star. Just draw some lines around it. Alright, so already you can see that there's a force being shot out. So we'll draw some smaller lines in between the long lines, like so. Just sketching it in lightly. So this is the basic structure of a fireworks explosion. Now you can add stars, little speckles of light. Really, you can go wild here just using this structure. So what I'm going to do is just flesh out these long lines and just draw these sort of tubey shapes that get curved up here, and near the center they're more pointy. So it's pointy near the center, then it curves out and has a soft rounded edge on the outside. So this is, I imagine this being kind of like fireballs. If you can imagine them being stretched as if they were animated. Maybe you can hear the fireworks in the background. Alright, maybe we'll just add a little more here. Okay, so then we'll draw some little speckles out here. I'm just gonna draw 3 on each side, just this pattern of 3 speckles, just kind of as a design. And if you liked the video, be sure to like it, subscribe for more. I'm going to be posting more drawing tutorials, and also let me know what you'd want me to draw next. And we'll draw some stars. How about near these little ones? We'll just sketch some little stars in right here. And of course you can color this all wild, but for now we're just sketching in the basic structure. I'm drawing on a Cintiq drawing tablet, and the program I'm drawing in is called TV Paint. It's primarily for 2D animation, but of course any animation program can be used for drawing as well. Alright, now we'll just draw some more circles coming out here. So if you can just imagine like this whole thing is happening in the shape of a circle, you can just kind of add whatever you want. But for now I'll just shade these in. Just be a basic red fireworks show. The last 2 drawing vids I did was one of Sonic and then another of Batman. But I thought, since it's 4th of July coming up, might as well draw some fireworks just for the heck of it. Alright, get rid of this circle I did there. Keep this line of action. let's see. Might add some more colors. How about that? Sketch these stars in at the very least. And of course, on these videos, you can always pause it if you need to catch up. So now I'll just be coloring in different colors. Alright, that is how you draw fireworks. You just imagine the energy coming out from the center. You just draw lines and shapes and stars coming out from the center. And you can really make any kind of design you want. Thanks for liking and subscribing. See you in the next video.